What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, I am stoked. Haven't been here in about a week or maybe a little bit more, so the shelves should be fully stocked. I love taking at least a week or two in between thrifting nowadays because I have so much inventory to sell, and I don't really need a lot more, but hopefully we still fill a cart. Let's do it. Alright, so they have a whole bunch of video games here. I already went through them real quick, but this is kind of what they have. There's some PS2 games in here also. I didn't notice the X-Men Legends. $5, that might be okay. We'll throw that there. Anything else looking good? Some Xbox One games, some Kinect games. Xbox One games are all priced at about $8. Code Vein, is that worth more than 8? It might be. We'll look into this also. Pretty cool. Alright, I just looked through all the baggied up toys over here. Oh, I just noticed this is kind of cool. A couple WWE wrestling belts. Let's see if we could slide these off. Oh, $1.99. I'm losing my voice. $1.99 each. Those are cool. Here we got another one down here. Oh yeah, tag team champion, $1.99. That's cool. I think there's another one right here. Okay, these are cool for $1.99. We'll grab them all. Alright, so I grabbed all the WWE belts for $1.99 each, which seems like a pretty good deal, but that wasn't even what I was going to show you guys. I found this catchphrase game. Just catchphrase, electronic catchphrase. I've sold this one a few times. The price has come down a bit, but at $3, there's easy money there. I'll pop the price up here so you guys can see, and I know that's going to be solid. And then I saw this whole little thing, baggie of toys, and I saw this old looking Sonic right here. He's from 1993. There's a Goku or Gohan, just a bunch of older 90s toys, a couple Playmobil figures, and it's only $1.99. I figured there's got to be at least $1.99 worth of value in here. There's a Dr. Robotnik or Eggman, something like that. Kind of cool, so we'll snag it for $2. Alright, I'm taking a look at all the different games here, and it is loaded with games today. Found a brand new sealed Monopoly Frozen 2 for $6. And right up there, you can see it on the screen a little bit. Red is 25% off. So what would that make this? Like $5? I'll take it. At $5, it's worth it because here it is on Amazon. And yeah, I'll make $13.75 before my $5 buy cost. So some easy money there. We'll take it and we'll keep looking. Is there anything else here? Another Frozen 2 game. Usually Frozen 2 stuff's not good. I look for Frozen 1. That one's not sealed, so we're not even going to bother. What else do they have over here? Operation games can go for a good amount of money. I try not to buy too many of them because they're always missing little pieces, or the batteries are left in there and they explode and they get all ruined and gross, so I don't like to mess with them too much anymore. What else do we have over here? Oh, a Light Bright. I think some Light Brights have value. Let's see if this one does. Let's scan it in together. So I got my phone pulled up with the Amazon Seller app. We're gonna hit that barcode up, and oh, this is not a good one. There's nobody on the listing, but the rank is 1.5 million, meaning it's gonna take a long time for something like this to sell. So we'll just leave that behind and keep looking, see if anything else cool pops up. Here we go. We have a Harry Potter board game and a Risk board game. I've had luck with certain things like this, so let's scan in the Harry Potter game with that Amazon app and see what happens. Alright, so here's the Harry Potter game. Brand new, it sells for $55. Used, 19. So not great. You'd make $10 on it if it's like a buck or two, but I assume it's gonna be like 4. Yeah, whoop. It's 4, but it's 25% off, so it's only $3, but to make $7, I guess that's actually not that bad, depending on how many pieces you have to count. I don't see a piece count on here, so we'll leave it. It's no big deal. And let's check this Risk game right here. Certain versions of Risk can go for good money, so let's scan this in, see what happens. There it is, the 2003 version. It's brand new, sells for $60. Used, 18. You'd only make $8.81 on it. Again, it's probably like $3-4, so we'll leave it. Not really the profits we're looking for. I was willing to have a smaller profit on sealed things because you don't have to count pieces, so you save a lot of time. Let's check this Connect 4. It's $5. It's brand new sealed. Oh no, it's not. The box is all ripped open, so we're gonna leave that also. This is kind of cool. An old school New York City Monopoly. It's a really old school Monopoly. Oh yeah, it still has the Twin Towers on it right there. This has to be from the 90s. 1996. Let's see if this is even on Amazon. It might not be. Just scanned it in and it is on Amazon. And brand new, it's selling for $100 used. $59. Now the rank is kind of high, but things like this around Christmas time do sell. My only concern is box condition. I'm noticing up here, it's split all the way down. The whole corner is falling apart. It's ripped up, which means that inside it's probably not the best condition. It's hard to come up on camera, but there's stains and marks all over this thing. I think I'm just gonna leave it behind, even at $4. It's just not worth risking a return on something like that. Let's see what else we got over here. Oh, some of these Family Feuds can be okay. I don't think, no, I'm not gonna mess with that one. All right, just came across this sealed Trivial Pursuit team game. It's $6, and here it is selling on Amazon for $22. I'd make $12.83 minus my $6, so it's just over $6 profit. And I'm grabbing it because it is sealed. I don't have to count pieces. I just slap a label on it, send it into Amazon. It'll probably cost me about $1 to ship that into Amazon, maybe $2. So I'll make between probably around $5 on it. Not bad. Here we go. We have another $6 game. It's Telestrations. It is sealed and red is 25% off. So we'll definitely grab it because it's selling for $24. So more than double my money there. I'll take it. All right, coming up onto the electronics section. Let's see if we can find any hidden gems in here. I bet we can. Oh, well, we have a Kinect sensor. Ooh, $10. It's pretty expensive for an Xbox 360 Kinect sensor. So we'll leave that behind. Let's see if we have something else in here that looks good. I don't see any of my usual finds like alarm clocks and pencil sharpeners. Oh, this is kind of cool. A Brother P-Touch label maker. This is kind of a heavy-duty one. Oh, turns right on too. It's got power. It works. All right, so I just wrote something. Let's see if it'll print. Print one copy. Please wait. Battery empty. Oh, it doesn't have enough battery to print. Oh, well, okay. I guess I could show it to you guys. I just wrote ThriftSchool to subscribe. Subscribe to ThriftSchool if you haven't already. I might get this. I'm gonna see if it's worth it or not. We'll stick it in here for now. I also see this, a MIDI Plus. People play music on these things. I know that. I bet you it's like $50. Oh, $35. Might be worth it. There's no cords or anything, but we'll look into this also. All right, what else do we have over here? Oh, a couple PS2 Slims. I don't see PS2 Slims too often. 25% off of $50. Still probably too high. They always have lots of video game consoles here, but there's no cords, no controllers, no nothing. For $50, that's extremely high. Also some Wii's over here, 20 each. No, 360s are probably 30 to 40. So, oh, a bunch of PS3s for 60. That's definitely too much. A couple Xbox Ones. So many consoles are just all priced too high. I just checked, and the Xbox Ones are 70, but they're 25% off. Still too high. Maybe if I get lucky and I come back in a couple days and they're 50 to, I don't know, 75% off. They do up to 75% off here, but sadly gotta leave them. There is a giant Ghostbusters Slimer plush from 2011. And it's huge. No tag, like new store tag, cardboard tag, but there was a little tag on the bottom where I found the year. And I wanted to see how much it sells for. About $50. There's one that went for 20. I don't know the size. It looks to be the exact same thing. Yeah, $20, really. That's a shame. Alright, so I've always gotten comments asking why I don't go through the sports stuff, the golf clubs, so I finally took it to heart. I came here, I saw they had a whole bunch of clubs. I started digging. I just kept digging. I don't know too much. I golf, but I don't know too much about clubs, and I was looking some things up. Oh, here's another of this set. I was trying to complete this set right here, this iron set. It's a tailor-made R7, and I think I have almost the complete set. I'm missing the 3. I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pitching and sand wedge, and I found a driver. And the complete, they're $8 each, right? They're $7.99 each. The complete set sells for, let me show you. All right, so I looked up the R7 set, and here's a ladies version selling for $270. around 250, 180, 250, 207, 229. That's for 7 clubs. I have 8 clubs, so I actually have an extra. And yeah, so I'm thinking right around 200 or more. So we're definitely gonna grab those. And I was like, all right, sweet. I did pretty darn good. But then this Scotty Cameron. I know that brand. I know the name. It's a Model 2 circa 62. It's in great shape, honestly. All right, guys, take a look at this. These are the sold listings of that Scotty Cameron. These ones took best offers, but we're right around 200-ish. This one went for 300. Holy cow. These are the solds. I mean, $200 to $300, $400, $500. I don't know. I think I looked it up correctly, but that's just wild. I'm going to take the $8 gamble on it. I don't think it's much of a gamble. I think we did pretty good there. So I had just looked down in my cart and remembered I had that MIDI Plus electronic beatbox thingy. It wasn't worth anything, so I put it back. But this Brother P Touch sells for $55 brand new. Comes with 4 of those ribbons. I don't have any of those ribbons. So I thought at 13 it's probably still kind of worth it, but I can't find a listing on Amazon for just the unit, so we're gonna check eBay, but I have a feeling on eBay it's not gonna be worth it. All right, I had a feeling. Here it is, $15 plus 10 shipping, $15 plus 9 shipping. Yeah, it's not gonna be worth it. It's hard to find the exact model on eBay, but I'm assuming, oh, here's another one, $15 plus shipping with an extra label, so we'll leave it. All right, I'm checking out the back wall of toys over here, all the miscellaneous stuff, and I haven't seen a Bop It Smash in so long. It's only $1.99, and there's a little logo on it, Bop It Smash. Here it is, selling on Amazon for 30 bucks. Brand new. It sells for 140. Holy cow. 30 bucks though. I'll snag it. I also grabbed 2 cool hats. I got, oh wow, bringing out a whole bunch of board games right now. I got this cool Sound Tigers hat. Alright, I just had to move down a little bit so she could put some stuff away, but I got this cool Sound Tigers Reebok hat. They changed their logo, and I go to a couple games of theirs a year, so at $1.99, I grabbed it for myself, and I thought this was kind of cool. It's a golf course in Clinton, Connecticut. It's only $1.99. I don't think it's vintage or anything, but it's cool. I might put it back, honestly. I don't really need it. There's a whole bunch of vintage Barney puzzles for $3.99 from 2000, so 24 years old. Those are cool. They might have some value, but not for me. I'm going to leave them. I did just notice this, though. A Friend's Clue. That's kind of cool. For $4. Definitely going to grab that. All right, so my total comes to $141.72. The cart is filled up. Hopefully I can make all that back on just that one putter and even double the money. So everything else is gravy. That was sweet.